Good evening everyone. Today is first day of May. Today is holiday because it is Labor Day. So today our topic is about Labor Day. So today it is for our laborers, the one who do the jobs and the core of the business. Those employee who's in productions, in the kitchen, in the construction sites. Yes, they are the one who get tired mostly because of their work, and I hope they will still be firm in times of like this time, because we know that our economy is in crisis right now. The gas is expensive, the electric bill also, some taxes are too high. Yes, be still to all of us, to all employees. So that's all for the Labor Day. We talk about my today's day. So we go to the mall and bought some groceries. Also, while going to the mall, we saw some people rallying about the Labor Day, like to have pay raise. Yes, and see you to the next video.